Ooh, that's so soft. Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm going to do a bit of a different bread recipe today. It's one I haven't made myself. It's called cloud bread, but it's not the one that you see on TikTok. I actually discovered this one off a website called spicyperspective.com, and I was actually looking up cloud bread because I was interested in the one you see on TikTok. I don't know if you've seen it, but it looks interesting. It looks like a cloud and you break it open and it's all fluffy and it looks brilliant, but it tastes like rubbish, so I don't see the point in that. Yeah, I was just looking into that and I came across this recipe and I thought, well, this is brilliant because it has no yeast and it has no flour in it. I thought, I want to give this a go. So the first thing we need is 4 eggs, and we want to separate the yolks from the whites. I'm going to put the whites in here and the yolks in the other bowl. We'll be using both. And with these egg whites, we add in half a teaspoon of Cream of Tartar. I just picked this up from Pack and Save for $2.39. Half a teaspoon. Now we're going to whisk this until it forms really stiff peaks like meringue. How's that? Oh, that's pretty good. Cool. Right. Onto these yolks. Into here we are meant to add 2 ounces of cream cheese. However, I don't have cream cheese. It's a bit on the expensive side. I do have some of my homemade Greek yogurt. Apparently 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt will do the same trick. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We mix in the egg yolk and the yogurt together. Put in 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs. I don't have Italian, I'm just using mixed herbs. Half a teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, I don't have garlic powder. I do have crushed garlic, so I'm hoping it's not going to be detrimental if I use this instead of garlic powder. Just see how we go. I would have got some, but I read the recipe wrong. So, mix those together. Together pretty easy. Then, I'll incorporate the fluffy stuff. I should have used a bigger bowl. I think I'm meant to put the fluffy stuff in with here, but I'm going to do it the other way around because the fluffy stuff is in the bigger bowl. Pays to plan ahead, doesn't it? I should use my big bowl. So, I'm going to very carefully tip this in here because we don't want to deflate this. We don't want this sort of meringue type eggy stuff deflating, so we just want to really, really carefully fold this together. Alrighty, now I'm going to get a couple of oven trays. I've only got 1 proper non-stick mat, so I'll use baking paper on the other one. Apparently we want to get 1/4 scoops of this mixture. That looks so cool. 1/4 cup. And to press it down so it's about 4 inches in diameter-ish. Okay, this is very ish. These are just going to be little. This is an experiment, so you know. We'll see. Hopefully this will be yummy. Some of these are a bit more runny than they should be. I think a lot of the stuff actually sank to the bottom and it's gone a little bit runny towards the bottom. So I might just scoop the stuff that's nice and frothy at the top. Okay, that's not the neatest thing in the world. Okay, some of that came out a bit sloppy. So, I'm going to pop this in the oven. It says for up to 30 minutes, so I'm just going to keep an eye on it, see how we go. Okay, I just did a slightly unplanned experiment. We had all this runny stuff at the bottom, and I thought I don't want to waste that, but if I pour it out it's just going to come out like a pancake, you know, it's not going to work like cloudy bread. So I just put it in a bowl and I chucked it in the microwave, and it's come out quite sort of almost like a little mini omelette. And, well, of course it did, it's mostly eggy based, isn't it? So, and it is rather yummy. That is actually really nice. It's quite strong garlicky flavour. That is actually really nice. It'd actually be quite a nice sandwich filling or something like that. Or I'm just going to eat this on its own. That was really yummy. Oh my goodness. So if you've got any, you know, watery bits left over at the bottom there from scooping out all the froth, zap it in the microwave. That'd be really nice, like, oh, on toast. Oh yeah, put it on toast. I have just pulled these out of the oven. Look at this. They are smelling. Ooh, that one's looking lovely and perfect, isn't it? Look at that. They are smelling absolutely divine. Look, those ones look quite cloudy, don't they? See why they called this cloud bread. This one was actually around before the TikTok version, just so we know. But look at them. The shape of them is making me think, you know, burger buns, mini pizzas, that sort of thing. But just going to leave them to cool for a few minutes. Apparently it's what you have to do. I cannot wait to try one of these. Okay, look at that. What first struck me, how perfect does that look? That is beautiful. First thing that struck me when I picked it up is it is so light. I mean, of course it is, because it's, you know, it's like egg whites. But it is just, it smells absolutely divine. That smells so yummy. I almost don't want to break into that and taste it, because it just looks so lovely. I can see why it's called cloud bread though, because look at it. Look at it. Okay. Please. Ooh, that's so soft. Oh, that is like so pillowy in the middle. Oh my goodness. That is just, oh, that is so beautiful and soft. Oh wow. That is amazing. How would I describe that? It just, that is so yummy. I think garlic powder might work better, because then it wouldn't be quite as sloppy, because it was a little bit sloppy when I was dishing it out. That is amazing. That absolutely, that just dissolves in your mouth as you're tasting it. If you are looking for, like, you know, a no flour, low carb, light option, it is so soft, it is so light. You put it in your mouth and it just kind of, it dissolves, and you're just left with that yummy flavour, that nice herby garlicky flavour. Wow, that's nicer than I thought it would be. Not sure how it would come out with toppings like a mini pizza or something. It could work. Apparently you can store this in an airtight container in the fridge for several days. However, it is best if eaten within 12 hours. That won't be a problem. I'm going to give everyone one of these with their dinner tonight. I mean, yeah, you could serve it like instead of garlic bread or something as a side dish, I suppose. Or, yeah, I mean, you could add all sorts of flavours with these. But I actually think, because I was left with that sloppy stuff in the bottom, just a little bit of it, I don't think I would have gotten that if I had used cream cheese instead of Greek yogurt, because of course Greek yogurt is just a little bit sloppier than cream cheese. I think cream cheese would hold it all together a bit better. So, but that, wow, that is so nice. What do you think? Is that good?
So awesome!
What do you think, Aston?
Fluffy and eggy and a bit of herby too.
It is. Hey, what's going on?
Good.
Is it nice and light?
How does it taste?
I have had a taste.
Good.
Is it nice and light?
No.
Does it melt in your mouth?
Oh, it actually does melt in my mouth.
I'm being okay.
Right.
It's very fluffy. It's so light.
It is very light.
Was it? That's very tasty.
Not
But
bad,
it's
eh?
weird, it
Kind of dissolves in your mouth, doesn't it?
does, but it's very yummy.
Mmm.
Is it egg in it?
Yeah.
It does taste a little bit
no
eggy.
flour, no yeast.
It's very. It is
Yeah.
nice. No, it is.
It's pretty good, isn't it? I mean, I don't think you could make a burger or something out of it. I think it'd be a bit light for that, maybe. There we go, guys. Hit like. Please leave me a comment if you try this. Share the video around. Make some of this stuff. Oh yeah. Bye.
You've done some very unusual recipes lately. I'm quite impressed. It's. It is
Yeah.
nice.
Tasting that yummy cloud bread stuff.
Mmm. Like says my head when I put it like that. Hello. So mature.